Hello to all, welcome to our new video. In this video, what is we discuss? We discussing unit vectors with feel. What is unit vectors? So basically, before explaining unit vectors, I have to take an example to clear your concepts. Let's take an example that Mr. Patel has standing in a chalk. ठीक है? Mr. Patel is standing in a chalk. He knows that a sweet shop is 4 kilometers from his distance. Let's suppose this is a sweet shop. Sweet shop. He knows that from his position 4 kilometers afterwards there is a sweet shop, but he didn't know the direction that where he wants to go, that this in this direction or in this direction or in this direction. So in these conditions we apply a vector which is called unit vector. So basically we use unit vectors. What is unit vectors? The vector which is usually used to specify direction. Okay, this vector is usually used to specify direction and having a magnitude of 1. Then question arises, why they have magnitude of 1. Let's discuss why they have magnitude of 1. A unit vector. Okay, let's take another example that a vector is going this words. Okay, it has a magnitude of 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, a vector going in this direction having a magnitude of 3. Okay, let's say this is vector A having a magnitude of 3a. Okay, so what is unit vector in this condition? Unit vector, what is unit vector? Having a magnitude of 1 means what is the direction of this vector? A vector consists of a direction and magnitude. Okay, so what is the direction of this A? How do we know that what is the direction of A? From unit vectors we know the direction of A. So we cut out a piece of it that it is 3a having magnitude, then we take out a piece 1a having a magnitude 1, which will give the direction of this vector, that which direction it is going on. You understand that this vector usually specify direction. It is usually used to give a direction of vectors. Okay, this will give 1a. Then how do we represent this 1a? 1a will be represented as a cap. A cap, we usually know this term by cap. This is because this is a shape like cap. A cap. A cap has magnitude of 1. And what is its use? Its use is giving direction of a vector. Okay, so let's say that Mr. Patel knows that after 4 kilometers there is a sweet shop, but where is the direction? Where is the direction? We give him a direction. Say Mr. Patel has going this words from 4 kilometers. Then 4 kilometers is a magnitude. Then what is the vector of Mr. Patel? So Mr. Patel is a vector. Then magnitude of Mr. Patel, vector we can represent by magnitude and direction. Then Mr. Patel has direction. So Mr. Patel cap, I will take this. Then Mr. Patel cap has magnitude 1. So due to magnitude 1, there is a magnitude of 4 kilometers. Okay, there is a magnitude of 4 kilometers. So how do we do that 1? Because we have to have magnitude of 1. We have to take up a unit vector having a magnitude of 1. So here we have 1 according to definition of unit vectors. Then we take this magnitude of Mr. Patel to downwards. Okay, then unit vector of Mr. Patel is as represented by this. Then we can say for vector A it is also valid. Yes, it is also valid for vector A. How it is valid for vector A? A vector is equals to magnitude of A and A cap. Then A cap will be A vector by magnitude of A vector. Then what is the magnitude of A vector? 3A. Then we simply put, there is cap. A cap is equals to A vector by 3A. This is how we calculate unit vectors. Now we discuss what are the unit vectors in when the terms are orthogonal. Orthogonal means x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay, let's discuss the orthogonal condition. Now let's study about orthogonal unit vector. What is orthogonal? Orthogonal means in x-axis, in y-axis and in z-axis. We take axes in orthogonal condition. Okay. So when we take a unit vector in the direction of x-axis, unit vector what? Unit vector gives direction and having a magnitude of 1. Why having a magnitude of 1? Magnitude of 1, if it is have magnitude of 1, then it do not interfere in magnitude of any vector. It also always gives direction of that vector. Okay. So if we take a vector which has a magnitude of 1, means a unit vector in x direction having a magnitude of 1. Okay. So what did this vector will give? This vector will give direction of x-axis. And what is this direction be called? This direction be called as I cap. What I say? I cap. Okay, I will write it here. I cap. Cap means direction. It is a unit vector, we can say. Okay, I cap. What will it give? It gives direction of a vector in x-axis. Means a body is going through it. What is the direction of it? It will be given by I cap. Okay, what is I cap? I cap is a unit vector in direction of x-axis. Okay, now let's suppose that there is a vector which gives the direction of y-axis having a magnitude of 1. Okay, we take it from here to here. It has a magnitude of 1. Then in y-axis, let's say a vector is going upwards. What is the direction? A direction is given by a unit vector which is called j cap. What I say? J cap. What is this? J cap. Okay, what I cap will give? I cap will give direction of unit vector, direction of vector in x-axis. What j cap will give? Direction of vector in y-axis. We can say unit vector in direction of y-axis. Then we talk about z-axis. Then similarly we take a unit vector having a magnitude of 1 in z-axis. Then it is called k cap, which will give direction of vector in z-axis. What I say? K cap, unit vector in direction of z-axis. Now I will take an example. Let's say an vector A, which is ax I cap, means in x-axis it is ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Then if question arises what is the unit vector of this A vector, then how do we find it? Okay, let's memorize 2 to 3 minutes before what I told you. A vector is equals to magnitude of A vector and A cap. Okay, A vector is equals to magnitude of A vector and A cap. So how A cap will be? A cap is equals to A vector by magnitude of A vector. Okay, so what is this A vector? This is this Ax I cap. I cap means it is going in x direction, plus Ay j cap. J cap means it is in y direction. K cap means it is in z direction. Okay, Az k cap. Then what we do about magnitude? If you are a math student, then you know that magnitude of these kinds of vectors will be given as root over the term which is in front of I cap has square ax square plus j cap के front ay square plus az square. Okay, this is the magnitude in terms of vector. So we put it here, ax square plus ay square plus az square. So this is the thing. If anyone asks you that what is the unit vector of these kind of quantities, then you can then you can solve by this trick. Okay, in real condition this kind of things has been given in points in questions 2, -3, 1. Then you have to take it as A vector is equals to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. Okay, and how do you know the unit vector? You can solve by this. Okay, so let's wrap up this video.